Hey guys, today in this video, I'll guide you through how you can insert a video in Google Slides on your phone. Watch till the end to grab everything properly. Alright, so let's begin with the video. First things first, open any preferred browser on your mobile device and make sure it is updated to the latest version available. After that, search for Google Slides and give it a go. Then, open the first website from the search results and you will be redirected to this type of web page. Here, tap on the Sign In button and sign in with your Google account. After signing in, tap on the three dots icon at the top right corner and select Request Desktop Site. Let it reload and then select the project in which you would like to insert a video. Now, tap on the Insert feature at the top of the page and select Video from the drop-down menu. After that, search for the target video and select it. Now, tap on the Insert button and make sure to place it in a preferred place on the slide. This way, you can easily insert videos into your Google Slides presentations directly from your mobile device. So that's basically how you can insert a video in Google Slides on your phone. So that's all for this video. Consider subscribing if you find it helpful, and I'll see you in the next one. Thanks.